Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again. Now we are going to do another example of molecular formula. Okay, so we have some problem here. So what information can we get? Okay, so the first one is we have something called vitamin C, yeah, vitamin C, yeah, or in chemical nomenclature, it is called with ascorbic acid, and it contains 40.92% of C, and then 4.58% of H, and also it has 54.50% of oxygen. Yeah. Okay, and let's assume that all of this let's assume that the total amount of this, yeah, the total amount of these elements, yeah, is 100 grams. So we can assume every element has uh, this percent of gram, yeah. So for the carbon we have a gram of C, and then 4.58 gram of hydrogen, and then 54.50 gram of oxygen. And now we are going to convert to uh, mole, yeah, and the formula of mole is mole equals to mass divided by the molar mass, yeah. Okay, so the first one, uh, mole of C, yeah, is mass of C divided by the mR of C, IR, yeah. Okay, the mass of C is 40.92 divided by the molar mass of C. Let's take a look. Molar mass of C, yeah, so 12.011. Okay, 12.011. Yeah, okay, so okay, I will calculate later. And then the second one, mole of uh, hydrogen. The mole of hydrogen, the mass of hydrogen is 4.58, and then it is 1, yeah. Okay, it's 1, 1.008. Okay, 1.008. And then the last one, the mole of oxygen, and then the mass is here, divided by the atomic mass or molar mass of oxygen. Okay, so we can make it as 16. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, so I will calculate it first. Yeah, okay, so this is the uh, the calculation, yeah, the result of every mole, and then we are going to divide all the yeah, all the result with the smallest value. So the smallest value is this, yeah, so it will be 6, 3.406, 3.406, and the value will be, this is 1, this is 1.3, and then this is 1. Okay, so because this is 1.3 is to so we cannot make it this, yeah, we cannot, because 0.3 is too high, yeah. It will differ if we get 1.003, so we can make it as 1, yeah, but in this case we have 1.3, so we cannot make it as 1, yeah, because the point is the decimal is still high, yeah. So let's say we multiply this value with 3, yeah. So this will be 3, and this will be 3.9, and this will be 3. Okay, and this number can be uh, changed into 4, yeah, because it is close to 4, yeah. So 3, 4, and 3, yeah. So the empirical formula, yeah, empirical formula of vitamin C, yeah, is C3, yeah, H4, yeah, H4, and then O3, yeah. Yeah, okay, so this is the empirical formula. And now how about the molecular formula? So we are going to find the uh, empirical molar mass. Yeah, yeah. So the empirical molar mass of C3H4O3, yeah, is uh, 3 times by 16 plus 4 times by 1 and plus, oh, not it's not 16 but 12, yeah, plus 3 times by 16, yeah, so it will be 36 plus 4 plus 48, yeah, so the value will be 10, 1, 4, 88, yeah. Okay, so this is for the empirical molar mass. And now how about the molar mass, yeah, molar mass of vitamin C, yeah. So the molar mass of vitamin C is this, yeah. Molecular mass, yeah, of vitamin C is 176, yeah. Molecular mass, yeah, molecular mass of vitamin C is 176, yeah. So we make a ratio, yeah, ratio of uh, molecular, yeah. I'm sorry, so it's molecular. Molecular, okay, molecular, yeah. Okay, molecular mass and empirical molar mass, yeah. So we have uh, this, yeah, the molecular mass divided by the empirical molar mass, yeah, 88. So we got 2, yeah. Yeah, so the molecular mass of vitamin C, yeah, is 2 times this, yeah, C3H4O O3. Yeah, so the result will be C6H8 and O6. Yeah, so this is the molecular formula of vitamin C.